Good morning, dear students. Now, the next topic in this chapter is fractions on a number line. As we already discussed about number line in the chapter of whole numbers, so this is a number line in which we have 0 in the center. On the right hand side, we have the positive integers, and on the left hand side, we have negative integers. Now, suppose if I want to represent a fraction on the number line, we know if I want to represent 2, it is here, 5 is here, minus 4 is here. But what about fraction? So let us do it. Suppose if I want to have 1 by 2 on the number line, what I will do? Firstly, I will mark 0, then as the fraction is having 2 in the denominator, the fraction is 1 by 2. So whatever the denominator is, we will divide it into that many parts. So we have 2 in the denominators, it means I have to divide from 0 to 1, I have to divide it into 2 parts. So 0 and B point is 1. 0, then first part is 1 by 2 and second part is 2 by 2. So 1 by 2 part is here and 2 by 2 part is here, and both are at the same distance. As we know, 2 by 2, when I will simplify it, the answer will be 2 by 2 means 1. It means I am splitting 0 to 1 into 2 equal parts, 1 by 2, 2 by 2. So this point is representing the fraction 1 by 2. One thing to note is a number line is divided into as many equal parts as in the denominator of the fraction to represent on the number line. For example, if I have 3 by 5, I want to represent it on number line. Now 5 is the denominator. So if I mark 0 as O, as A, 0 point is written as A and B point is 1. Then I will divide from 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts like this. 0, then 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5 is 1. So these are the 5 equal parts at equal distances. I want to represent 3 by 5 on the number line. So 3 by 5 is here, which is the point E. Next we have types of fractions. We have 3 types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fractions. What are proper fractions? The fractions that are less than 1, or you can say in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator, is called a proper fraction. For example, 3 by 4, here 3 is less than 4, 2 by 3, 2 is less than 3, means numerator is less than denominator. 1 by 5, here also numerator is less than denominator. Next we have improper fractions, the fractions in which the numerator is either equal or greater than the denominator. For example, 7 by 5, here 7 is greater than 5, so yes, numerator is greater than denominator. 9 by 4, again numerator is greater than denominator. 27 by 14, so this is also an example of improper fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Next we have mixed fractions. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Means, for example, I have 3 apples and I want to divide them into 2 equal parts. Then 3 apples can be divided like 1 full apple. And what about the third apple? So half of third apple. So share of each part will be 1 full apple plus 1 is half part. So it is written as 1 and half. This is one complete fraction, whole number, and the other is half. So this is a proper fraction. So I can say mixed fraction comprises of one whole part and a proper fraction. Now next is how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. If I have the fraction 23 by 6, it is improper, in which numerator is greater than denominator, and I want to convert it into mixed fraction. So what I will do, I will divide 23 with 6 like this. 23 divided by 6, we know 6 3s are 18 and the remainder is here 5. So how I will write the mixed fraction for this? Like this. 3 will be written first, 3, then 5 by 6. 3, 5 by 6. Next, if I want to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, suppose if I have mixed fraction 3 1 by 2, means 3 and a half, 3 is one whole part and half is one proper fraction. I want to convert it into improper fraction. Then it will be like this. This will be multiplied by this, 2 into 3 and then plus 1. Denominator will remain the same. So it will be written like this, 3 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2. Next, if I want to convert the following into mixed fraction, 48 by 7. So divide 48 with 7. 7 6 is 42, remainder is 6. So I will write it into mixed fraction like 6, 6 by 7. So it will be 6, 6 by 7. Again 5 by 4, when divided remainder is 1. So I will write it 1, 1 by 4. Next, 26 by 5, again when it will be divided, 1 is the remainder, 5 5 is the 25, 1 is the remainder. So it will be written in the mixed form like 5, 1 by 5. So 5 is the whole part and 1 by 5 is the proper fraction in the mixed fraction. Next, if I want to convert these fractions into improper fraction, we have 4 1 by 2. So to convert it into improper, 4 2s are 8 plus 1. So 4 into 2 plus 1. Divided by the denominator remains the same. So it is 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. Next 6 2 by 7. So it will be 6 into 7 plus 2 divided by 7. 6 7s are 42 plus 2, 44 by 7. Your homework for today is convert 26 by 10 into mixed fraction. Second question, convert 6 2 by 5 into improper fraction. Thank you. Have a nice day.